Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through connecting the Uber app to your Tesla Model Y. As of December 2025, this integration allows Tesla owners to seamlessly use their vehicles for ride-sharing, leveraging Tesla's technology for efficiency and even autonomous driving in some areas. Let's get started. Integrating your Tesla Model Y with Uber through rideshare mode offers compelling advantages that enhance both performance and profitability. Tesla's specialized software optimizes battery management, potentially extending your driving range by up to 20% through intelligent energy algorithms. The system also provides automatic cleaning reminders after each ride, ensuring your vehicle stays in top condition for passengers and maintains its value over time. Integrated fare tracking streamlines your operations with a built-in earnings dashboard, making it easier to monitor income and split commissions between Uber and Tesla. Enhanced route planning leverages Tesla's full self-driving capabilities where available, optimizing paths for efficiency and passenger comfort. By participating in rideshare services, you're contributing to a more sustainable transportation ecosystem, reducing emissions and promoting electric vehicle adoption in urban areas. Overall, drivers experience 15 to 30% higher earnings per ride due to these efficiency improvements, making Tesla rideshare integration both environmentally beneficial and financially rewarding. Before you begin the integration process, make sure you have all the necessary prerequisites in place. First, you need a compatible Tesla Model Y from 2021 or newer that includes full self-driving capability. Next, ensure you have an active and verified Uber driver account enrolled in their driver program. You'll also need a strong and stable internet connection to handle app syncing and real-time ride data. Download and install the latest version of the Tesla app, which should be version 5.0 or newer, on your smartphone. Finally, make sure the Uber Driver app is downloaded and updated to the most recent version on your smartphone. First, open the Tesla app on your phone and navigate to the Services section. This is where you'll find options for rideshare partners. In the Services section, select Rideshare Partners. Then choose Uber from the available options to begin the linking process. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Uber driver account. Enter your credentials to authenticate and link the accounts. Finally, grant the necessary permissions for data sharing, such as your location and vehicle status. This allows the Tesla and Uber apps to communicate effectively for seamless rideshare operations. Once your accounts are linked, toggle rideshare mode to on within the Tesla app. This activates the vehicle's commercial settings, enabling features like automatic route optimization for passenger pickup and drop-off, and the earnings dashboard to help track your profits. In the Tesla app, locate the rideshare mode section and find the toggle switch. Tap the toggle to turn rideshare mode on. The switch will change to green, indicating the mode is active. When activated, rideshare mode unlocks several commercial features optimized for rideshare operations. The earnings dashboard appears, allowing you to track your profits in real time. This dashboard displays total earnings, daily amounts, and number of rides completed. Use the Uber Driver app as usual to accept ride requests. The app will show available rides with passenger details and pickup locations. Once a ride is accepted, the Tesla app automatically takes over navigation, providing turn-by-turn directions to the pickup and destination. Tesla's full self-driving system assists with the actual driving. In supervised mode, FSD handles most driving tasks while you monitor. In designated areas with regulatory approval, it can operate fully autonomously. After completing each ride, the Tesla system automatically prompts you to perform a vehicle inspection. This ensures your Model Y remains safe and ready for the next passenger. Following the inspection, the Tesla app generates an automatic earnings report. This detailed breakdown shows your net fare, any tips received, and the Tesla platform commission, which typically ranges from 10 to 15%. This commission structure helps Tesla offset development costs for their rideshare technology while allowing drivers to earn more through optimized vehicle performance. Many drivers report 15 to 30% higher earnings per ride compared to traditional vehicles. If you encounter connectivity issues, try restarting the Tesla app. This simple step resolves most connection problems. For full self-driving overrides, you can manually adjust settings in the FSD menu to regain control. According to Tesla's support forums, most issues are resolved with app updates. Remember, always comply with local laws and prioritize safety. Drive responsibly and follow all regulations. Thanks for watching.